Hello, I'm going to show you how to use filters on the Memory tab of C++ Memory Validator. We're going to use filters to remove data based on the object type of the memory allocation in the application. First of all, we need some data to work with, so I'm going to relaunch the example application by clicking the relaunch icon. The example application is launched. This example application leaks quite a bit of memory, so I'm just going to close it and we'll work with the data that it's already allocated. Now, we're going to filter the CString memory type, so I'm going to create a local filter to show you how to do that. Local, custom filter. Go to match using filter type. Select the, make sure we have the filter type set to memory allocation. Set the checkbox on match using object type, allocated using new, object type of CString, click OK. And the CString data types have been removed from the display. Now, CStrings also use byte arrays inside them, so we'll get rid of those as well. So right click on one of those, local filter, custom filter, match using filter type, memory allocation for the filter type, match using object type, allocated using new, object type is byte array, click OK, and those are removed as well. So there you go, that's quick and easy filtering based on data type. Thank you very much.